Hey, Chip, why don't we go to the beach today?
Sure,
Let's go.
I'll drive. There's nothing like a nighttime beach holiday.
Yeah. Ooh, there's a yacht there. Should we see if we can go on it?
Yeah, let's go.
Whee! Wait, first look. I'm relaxing on the beach, beach. Like I'm relaxing on the beach.
Yeah.
I just teleported.
What?
That shouldn't be
To
possible. Where are you?
I'm still on the beach.
Chick.
Oh, I see you. I'm driving backwards towards you.
Wait, I think I see you. Why are you leaving
I'm in
me?
the big car. I'm in the big car.
I see that. I see the pink car. I'm coming.
Yeah, okay.
Wait. So we're going on the yacht, right?
Yep, we're going on the yacht.
Going on vacation? Let me go in the front. No! Let's go.
Let's go.
Woohoo! So, Chick, what are we going to do other than go in a yacht? Ah!
Should I just drive into the water? Yeah, why not?
I think I'm going to walk there.
I did it.
Wait, you just appeared from the sky. You know, I'm bored of
Anyway,
this.
let's go on that yacht. No, not on that.
I'm going to use this to go over to the yacht.
We can just go over this way.
It's funner to do it this way.
I'm literally already there.
It's funner to do it like this.
Fine.
Whee!
But I just walked to the yacht. Just telling you. Okay, and now I'm stuck in the water. Get me out! Okay, I'm on the yacht.
Are you on the yacht or you're on the side of the yacht?
But I'm on the yacht.
But I'm coming.
Okay.
Hey, I made it. Where are we
Okay,
heading?
come inside.
This is yacht move. This is yacht move. This is yacht move. I'm just gonna go and get dinner.
Let's explore our yacht.
Where's the thing for cooking?
I don't know.
I know how to cook.
Wait, you know how to cook now?
Yeah, I know how to cook now.
This is our little bathroom.
Please tell me there's another bed. There's a king size bed through there. I really
Well,
hope.
let's take the stairs.
Oh no. God no. God help us all. Alright, wait, I'm looking for another bed. I'm not sharing a bed with you. That's weird.
Oh,
I'm already upstairs. Wait.
I can't drive the yacht. No, I tried to drive it, but it's robot. That's so sad.
Aww.
But, okay, pretend there's somebody driving it.
Okay. Well, I'm gonna head to bed.
Yeah, me too. Is there only one bed, by the way?
Yeah. Great.
Oh, head to the bed soon.
I'm asleep.
Hey, I'm coming.
Wait. We're still in the same bed. I'm glad I'm facing away from you. You know what? I think I'm gonna go get some food. Yeah.
I want to go out for a swim, so I'm gonna get some swimming clothes on.
Okay. Do not come to me whilst you're getting changed, though.
Okay, I just saved an outfit.
Do you want a cheeseburger? Want a cheeseburger?
Okay.
Here's a cheeseburger.
Give me just burger.
There's a burger. Cheeseburger.
How do I say the cheese? Where did you find them?
I went into inventory. I went into items.
I have my own food. I don't need a cheeseburger.
Yum yum yum. I don't even like cheeseburgers.
Well, look, I've got my own cheeseburger right now.
I think I'll have a lobby. I think I'll have a lollipop. 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 Lollipop.
Yeah,
You can't.
And then I'm gonna go swimming.
Okay. Charles a burger. I'm just gonna go swimming in my clothes.
Okay.
Should I? Should I not?
Yeah.
Anyone out there? 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 Anyone out there?
Okay, I'm in my bikini now, and I'm going to go swimming. Okay.
Whee! I'm in the ocean. I'm in the ocean. I'm in the ocean. I'm under the boat.
Oh my god.
Woohoo!
I'm gonna go on one of those speedboat things.
Jet ski. Jet ski.
Yeah, jet ski.
Jet ski. Jet cookie. That's mine.
Yeah, you get a different one. My iPad is glitching a lot right now.
You don't need to say that to me.
I know.
La la la. What are we doing?
You might jet ski.
No, I did not.
Then why did it just disappear?
Well, it's... Oh, God. It's back at the start with your car.
Oh, God.
Yeah, I'm going to bed.
Okay, should we get back on the yacht or what?
Yeah, let's get back on the yachto. Let's go back. Let's get back on the yachto.
I'm gonna go in a boat.
But do right next to the yacht.
I'll go in another jet ski.
Why the yacht? Why the yacht?
No, I'm going in a jet ski. This is our swimming time.
Nah, I think
yeah,
I just...
I can still see my car in the water. But anyway, let me just go around on my jet ski.
I hate having a seafood toilet door. I'm on the toilet, and you can see me. I think I'm gonna watch TV.
Okay.
In bed. In bed. It won't turn on. Okay, I'm just gonna go to bed. No, I'm not sleeping in your side. I am not sleeping in your side.
Okay, I'm gonna go back on the road now. Let me get my normal clothes back on. What are you doing?
I'm sleeping. Where are ya? Where are ya? Where are ya?
I'll press the start button. I'm back on now. Oh, I just fell. Why are you singing so good,
I don't know. I'm a chef. I'm a chef.
Wait, how do you get a job?
You go to like the bag thing.
Oh yeah, I see it. My job is going to be a gamer.
Oh, I want to be a gamer. I want to be a gamer. We can both be gamers.
Yeah, wait. I'm just gonna choose a random job. I'm a spy.
Well, I need a laptop and I need to do some videos.
Wait, okay. I'm actually gonna be a student. There you go.
Get working. Right, I got a laptop. Okay,
Guys,
bye guys.
bye guys.
Bye guys.
Bye
Ah,
guys.
penguin and shit.
Penguin ship out.
Penguin and shit.